Okay, here we come. Best Express Car Wash in Viera, Florida. Remain in your vehicle. Fold in mirrors. Touchscreen to begin.
Good to see you here. Thanks for having your car professionally washed. Let's go through a few steps to help you design the best wash for your car.
Just talk.
Feel free to skip ahead or move back.
You want to skip?
If you wish to
Card.
purchase a car
Card.
wash now, I always choose the top wash for
Okay, 15. See the $15? That one.
And please press OK to confirm your selection and to continue with your wash.
Okay. Follow instructions on the reader. Put it on the bottom. No, the bottom. No, bottom. See the blue lights? That's it. The blue lights. Put it up. Hold it there. Wait. Please remove card. Approved. Welcome.
Thank you for purchasing
Oh, good.
car wash. To ensure a safe car wash, please follow all posted instructions.
It's open.
Okay, Daniel, I need you to do me a favor.
What's going on?
I need to pull in that mirror.
I'll get him. Stop the car.
Wait a minute. I had to move away from the bushes. Okay. Can you get it?
Maybe I can help.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
There's a sign. Look, the man's coming in around.
Yes.
You're welcome. Look. The man's coming clean in the car.
I know.
How would it be replaced?
Hold on a second. Can you hold this for a minute? Here, take the dollar. And when we move forward, open your window and put tips in there. Open your window, Daniel. Hurry up. Put it in the tube. Put the money in the tube.
Okay.
Oh, I wanted you to put a tip in the tube, Daniel.
It's an arch. They replaced.
Nice. Beautiful.
Look, here's an arch.
Yeah. Go underneath the arches. Oh, different colors. Look at that.
Yes. I press the press.
Wow.
Don't talk on it.
Wow, look at the black blow dryers. Nice. Daniel, check it out. There's a car behind us.
Wow. What do you know?
Nice. Now we got new mirrors. Want to get out and do the mirrors?
Sure.
Okay.